In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get round corners on visuals in Power BI. If you've ever wanted your report to feel a little softer and more polished, rounding the corners of your visuals is a quick win. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly why each click matters. Start by clicking the visual you want to round. A common example is a card visual, but this works for other visuals too. When a visual is selected, its customization options appear in the Visualizations pane on the right. This is where all the formatting lives, and it updates based on what you've selected, so always make sure your target visual is highlighted. With the visual selected, go to the General section in the formatting options. Inside General, look for Effects. This is where container-level styling controls live, including things like shadows and borders that affect the overall shape of the visual. Next, find Visual Border and turn it on. Enabling the border is important because it exposes the settings that control corner rounding. Once the border is enabled, you'll see a control to set the corner radius in pixels. Increasing the pixel value makes the corners rounder. Lowering it keeps them closer to square. Adjust it until the visual looks the way you want. If you're working across multiple visuals, try to use the same radius so your report layout feels consistent. Now, when you're working specifically with card visuals, there's an additional shape option designed for them. With a card selected, switch from the General section to the Visual section. This tab focuses on the content and style of the visual itself. Open the Cards area, then find the Shape drop-down. From there, choose Rounded Rectangles. This applies a card-specific rounded shape that complements the border rounding you set earlier. It's a quick way to give cards a friendlier look while keeping their information clear and readable. That's the process. Click the visual, open the General tab, go into Effects, enable the visual border, and set your corner radius. For card visuals, head into the Visual tab, open Cards, choose Shape, and pick Rounded Rectangles. Take a moment to preview the result at different sizes, because rounding can look different on small versus large visuals. Once you're happy, you're done. Your report now has clean, rounded corners that make it feel modern and intentional.